Hello, I just had a Zoom call where I briefly talked about how people typically approach the patent process and working with the lawyers and how one might improve on this approach. So I thought it might be useful to more than just the person I was talking with. So here it is. Enjoy.
A lot of times I'll see people that don't work with me, they kind of just jump straight into step
Yeah.
8, and they don't even do that very well, right? They're going to a lawyer. Maybe they're just going to the first lawyer they come across, and they say, hey, I want a patent, and the lawyer's like, all right, great, 10 grand, let's do it. And before they know it, they're like in over their head, and the patent's not even on the important part of their product. So like things are missed. And like I've worked with a lot of clients, even just on this step 9 here, where we review that patent draft that the lawyer writes from a business perspective and make sure everything that needs to be in there is in there. And that's even without doing some of this prep, like earlier in my business. And, you know, some of these patent drafts that come back completely miss the mark. The lawyers just don't understand the technology, or there's other issues because it just wasn't communicated well, because, you know, the client who wants the patent just, they don't really know how to talk to lawyers. It's a whole different language almost.
Yeah.
So this is where I kind of train my clients and help them have these conversations in a better way, and, you know, obviously doing all this prep as well and strategy work. So
I hope that was useful. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about this, then visit viplink.com/playbook. Look forward to hearing from you.